Adding repair and rework data to WATS is an excellent way to improve your root cause analysis. While a failing step can be considered a symptom of your problem, the added repair information might be the missing link to diagnose the actual root cause. In WATS, a range of tools lets you analyze and review your rework, and the product repair report is a predefined report to give you a good overview of your repairs. It offers a detailed grid and corresponding chart of failures and repairs, in addition to specific charts for your failures aggregated by part numbers, repair operations, which is a stacked bar chart that allows drilling for details. You can also see and drill into the failures by test operation and a failure type chart. In addition, our repair analysis report allows you to customize your repair report, the same way you do it in dynamic yield. Here you can pick and choose from any available repair data columns and create exactly the grid or chart you desire.